Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain my experiment number 5 in data visualization using Tableau. The title of this experiment is Interactive Data Mapping and Charting in Tableau. In this experiment, I created different types of charts to visualize data and identify patterns and trends. The aim of this experiment is to represent complex data sets using various visualizations in Tableau for better understanding and decision making. First, I opened the Tableau software. I clicked on Connect to Data. I selected my dataset. After loading, I went to the Sheet tab. Here I started creating different visualizations, charts. World map. First, I created a word cloud. I opened a new sheet, dragged the text dimension like category or product name to the view, changed marks type to text. Then I dragged the measure like sales to size. Now Tableau displayed words with different sizes based on frequency. Larger words represent higher values. Tree map. Next I created a tree map, opened a new sheet, dragged the dimension to the view, dragged the measure to size. Then I selected tree map from show me. Tableau created nested rectangles. Bigger boxes represent the higher values. Heat map. Then next I created a heat map, dragged one dimension to the rows, dragged another dimension to the columns, dragged the measure to color, then changed the mark type to square. Now colors represent intensity, darker color means a higher value. Geospatial map. Next I created a geospatial map, dragged the location field like country or state. Tableau automatically generated a map. Then I dragged the measure like sales to color or size. Now I could see data plotted on the map. Different sizes and colors shows the variations in the values. Funnel chart. Next I created a funnel chart. Dragged the category field to the rows. Dragged the measure to the columns. Sorted the data in descending order. I adjusted the bar sizes to create the funnel shape. This is used to show stages like the sales process. Waterfall chart. Next I created a waterfall chart, dragged the dimensions to the columns and dragged the measures to the rows. Created a calculated field for running total, changed the marks type to one bar, adjusted size and color. This shows cumulative increase and decrease. Donut chart. Next I created a donut chart, created a pie chart first, dragged dimensions to the colors and dragged the measures to the angles. Then I duplicated the chart, created a dual axis, made one circle smaller. This created a donut. Sankey diagram. Finally, I created a Sankey diagram, used calculated fields and path, dragged dimensions and measures. I adjusted marks to create flow-like structure. This shows flow of data between the categories. Input and output. In this experiment, I created multiple charts like world map, tree map, heat map, and others. For each chart, I used input data and generated visual outputs in Tableau. Hence, I created various charts in Tableau. These visualizations helps in identifying patterns, trends, and insights from the dataset. And that's all about this fifth experiment. Thank you.